respected Chandrasekhar Garu, CPMG, Nagendra Reddy Saab, Radhika Akashdeep Garu, PVS and Reddy Garu, SV Rao Garu, who are on the dais, officers and staff personnel of Postal Department, philatelists, dear friends. I have come to this auditorium several times. And, thanks to Nagendra Reddy Garu, he always provided it to us. As Joint Commissioner of Police, Additional Commissioner of Police, and even Commissioner of Police, I spoke from in this auditorium. Now I have come in a different capacity. As I come here in my personal capacity almost as a philatelist. Even then I bring good tidings to all the philatelists gathered here. On behalf of myself, on behalf of the government of Telangana and the police department of Telangana. The great philatelists who are sitting here in front of us, Agarwal Garu, Nagpal Garu, Devendra Jain Garu, Srinivas Rao Garu, Srinivas Reddy Garu, Srinivas Rao Garu, and others whose names I don't remember. They've all given a direction to the hobby of philately in this great city. In fact,
of district. The purpose of holding such exhibitions is basically to promote the philately hobby, especially among the younger ones, so that they will continue to cherish that activity throughout their life, and also invite the philatelists to exhibit their collection, so that younger ones will learn from the seniors, and also seniors will have the opportunity to showcase their exhibits to all the interested segment in that city, district and then the state. మేము డిసెంబర్లో స్టేట్ లెవెల్ ఫిలాటలీ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కండక్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం ఇక్కడే హైదరాబాద్లోనే. ఇది ఒక నాంది దానికి. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ దట్ South East Division SSP and his team has taken a lot of interest in organizing this activity. And ఇంతకంటే మంచి
Today we are having named it as Charminar PEX, which means Charminar Philately Exhibition. This will happen on today and tomorrow in Salarjung Museum, and we invite all the citizens, all the children from various schools to come and see this exhibition, which is a very, very educative experience, I can assure of. In this exhibition we have about 63 frames, out of which about 25 are from the invitee class and the rest are from the competition class. And various themes like Hyderabad state, sports, flora, fauna, animals, birds, and then several topics are covered in this exhibition. We will have this beautiful, even Mahabharata for example, we have through the stamps you can actually go through each of the schemes, each of the frame, and each of the theme will be very beautifully explained through stamps. It is a very enriching experience. I would request all the children especially to come and see the exhibition. And this is being held in the Southeast Division, Southeast Postal Division, and I congratulate the SSP and his team who have organized such a beautiful exhibition. The inauguration has been done today, just now, and the valediction and awarding of prizes will be done tomorrow. So these 2 days should be best utilized by all the citizens, at least on this side of the Hyderabad. Thank you very much.
The outside and the electronic media and all the postal fraternity who has graced this memorial component of post offices and the staff of Hyderabad Southeast Division being held today and tomorrow, that is Hyderabad, that is the city of pearls. Now a brief about philately. Philately means study of stamps, collection, appreciation and research activities on stamps. India released the first stamp on 1st July 1852 under the authority of Sir Barclay Ferrey, Commissioner of Sindh. On 1st October 1854, the postal stamp was valid across the country. On 21st October, stamps started issuing in many countries. Whether it rains or shines, stamp collection has become a hobby and there is no age bar for the same. Department of Post proudly state that the philatelic exhibition and competitions held in 2016 was a thumping success. Analysts from different districts are participating actively by keeping up their spirits for this PEX 2018. Exhibit their inherent talents. India Post site provides various services to philatelists to purchase new stamps and have philatelic account.
Telangana Circle, Hyderabad, for gracing the occasion with utmost dignity and fervor. We thank you, sir, for the enthusiasm and zeal shown throughout the program. I feel delighted to express my heartfelt appreciation and thanks to Sri B.B. Srinivasarao Garu, a great philatelist and Chairman, Telangana State Level Police Recruitment Board, Hyderabad, for sparing his valuable time and for being with us despite his busy schedule. We are truly gratified and blessed, sir. I express my deep thanks to Sri A. Nagendra Reddy Garu, IRPS Director, Salarjung Museum, Hyderabad, who has wholeheartedly been involved in this event right from the day of its initiation. We thank him for being cooperative throughout and being cordially present with us during the program. I put forth my sincere thanks to Srimati B. Radhika Chakrabarti Garu, Postmaster General, Headquarters Region, Hyderabad, for leading us all with continuous support and strength. Thank you, Madam, for motivating one and all for successful convening of the event. I thank Sri Akashdeep Chakrabarti Garu, Postmaster General, Hyderabad Region, for the profound interest shown by him in convening of the program and making his presence feel vibrant.